Hello friends, once again welcome to our new video. In today's video I am going to tell you how you can recover your forgotten PIN pattern password of your smartphone without visiting the service center and without any computer. In today's video I am going to tell you such a method of unlocking the locked mobile which is completely different. This unlock method is different because here even after your phone is unlocked, all the data of your smartphone had old whatever application was already installed in your phone, you will see in your phone. So whenever if your phone through the service center unlocked or any computer software, then all the applications that were already installed in your phone will be deleted through. Nowadays this method is also being used in service center, so this method is completely certified. With our method you will get the convenience that you don't need to go to the service center. You can recover your lost password sitting at home, as well as you will won't have to pay any type of charges at the service center, or in this video you don't have to pay any charges. Okay, before reveal this method, there are some important things you should know about it. So this first thing is that your phone should battery charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method to unlock the smartphone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming video or old video. For this you must subscribe to the channel. If your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like of this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video to help you further. So let's start this video. So you can see here friends, my phone has been locked by the password lock. So first step is you have to switch off your smartphone all networks. So you can see here there is an option of airplane mode. So firstly you will have to click on airplane mode. It means now your all network has been completely stopped. So this is the first method. Firstly you have to on your airplane, or it also known as flight mode, activated. Now the second method is all the applications which were running before your phone in the background should be closed. For this I am going to give you a secret code. By this secret code your all applications which are running before your phone logged in your background would be closed by this trick. So you have to go with the emergency call option. After clicking on this emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I'm going to give you a secret code *852367711 and hash. Now click on this secret code number. You will get a prompt of call failed option. So simply you will have to get a OK option. So click on OK. Continue this process 3 times. After completing this process 3 times, you have to clear your call log. Now the second and the most important thing you have to notice is about your phone. So you have to you have to go on engineer's mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. To go on master unlocking mode, there is a secret code. You can write down it *899 and hash. After clicking on hash, you will get such a page where written as engineer modes, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. There are lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here first option is product information. You don't have to go with that option. You will have to go with the option software version. You can see here software version. After click on this option, you will get a such type of page. There are also lots of options over there. First option is your mobile handset model number. You can see here your model number is RMX 2117, but you don't have to go with that option. You have to go with the option Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will show Android version 10, 11 or 13. I am going to click on this option 12 times because here Android version is 12. If your Android version is 13, then you have to click on this option 13 times. So I will have to click here 12 times. You can count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12 time I have clicked on this option. Now simply you have to go with the back button. After going back, you will get a previous page. You can see here, this is the previous page. There is an option on the fourth number. You can see here manual test option. So simply click on this option. After clicking on this option, you will see here a page that is assembly test projects, but you don't have to go with this option. You have to simply slide your display right side until you reach to the other option. Now you reached to the other option. You will see here 5 type of option. First of all is screen backlight test, but you don't have to go any option. You have to go with the database option, database version option. It also shows in your phone mainboard version. So simply click on database version option 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After clicking on this option, your second step has been completed. Now the third step is, you can see here there is an option at the second number, read write important log test. So simply click on read write important log test. You will get a prompt to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You have to cancel on this option. Simply cancel on this option. Again do this process 3 times, 2 and 3. But at the 4th time, you will have to confirm this option with the OK option. Now your phone's password, pattern or pin are on reconstruction mode. It means your password has been on resetting mode. So simply the fourth step is simply go with the left side slide. You can see here there is an option of device debugging option. On your phone it will be showing device debugging option. There are also lots of options over there. From top to bottom, you can see here check small board, match main board, fingerprint test message. You can see here keypad option, vibration test option, touch screen option. There are lots of options, but you have to go with the sensor offset test. You have to click on sensor offset version. You can see here there is a lots of option over there. So simply click on first option. So everything is on reconstruction mode. Going on reconstruction mode, so simply back on this option. So going on back on this option, you will see a below the sensor offset test option, there is a G sensor option. So simply click on G sensor option. So click on the first option, G sensor. You will get a 3 type of axis, X, Y and Z. So simply give some seconds on this option. At least 5 seconds you have to give on this option. So our 5 seconds has been completed. So simply click on back option. Again back. Now the last step I am going to telling you. So kindly follow the every step. If you are skipping any step, then your phone is not going to unlock. So kindly watch the full video without any skip for the proper step. Okay. Now the last option is sensor self test and calibration option. You can see here. So simply click on this option. You will get an 2 option on your screen. You can see here there are 2 options on my screen. It is possible your display showing 1 option or 3 options. So simply clicking on this option continuously until you get a message of test pass. You can see here there is an option of test not operation not started. So now I am going to click on this option. So clicking on this option, you can see here message of test started, test passes. Now at the first time I have get the test passed message. It may be possible you will have to click on these option at least 2 times, 3 times or 50 times until you will have to clicking on this option. You will get if you don't get a test passed message, then it means your phone has not been unlocked. So you will have to continuously click on these option until you get test passed message. I have got the test passed message. It means my phone has been completely unlocked with the past unlock method. So now what you have to do, you have to go with the simply home button. You can see at the bottom of your phone there is a home option. So simply click on home button. Now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked without the help of any service center or without any help of a computer software. So if your phone has been unlocked, so kindly like this video and subscribe my channel for the further these type of queries. Thank you very much. See you in next video.